Hello everyone. Multiple candidates aligned to President Cyril Ramaphosa contesting for the ANC's top 7 positions have resulted in fears among his backers that he could be isolated in the party's top leadership structure. Nominations for the top 7 leaders are wrapped up early on Sunday morning. The process entailed collating branch nominations and nominations from the conference floor and held few surprises. What was obvious in the branch nomination process is that no clear slate is likely to triumph when the results are announced, somewhat mirroring the leadership dynamics that emerged at the 2017 elective conference. Back then, Ramaphosa beat Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma by a narrow margin, but his faction's pick for Secretary General Senzo Mchunu was trumped by Ace Magashule. Ramaphosa was also denied a running mate of his choosing after Naledi Pandor was beaten by David Mabuza. This time, slates are not allowed because of the rules imposed by the ANC's Elections Commission, headed by Kgalema Motlanthe. ANC Treasurer General Paul Mashatile, who is in the running for the Deputy President position, has criticized slate politics resulting in some across factions aligned to Ramaphosa and his competitor Zweli Mkhize viewing him with distrust. Another contender for the Deputy President Justice, Minister Ronald Lamola, has also been running his own campaign outside factional machinations. Former KZN Secretary Dumiseni Ntuli, who is in the running for Secretary General, and Ramaphosa aide Bejane Chauke, who is aiming for the position of Treasurer, are doing the same. The nomination process presided over by Motlanthe and Elections Agency Director Bontle Mpakanyane was a lengthy affair, with the number of nominations from the floor for the 2 Deputy Secretary General positions in particular. Those nominated who met the threshold and accepted the nomination are set to appear on the ballot paper, with the ANC delegates voting for the top 10 throughout Sunday. Ramaphosa and Mkhize were nominated for the post of president. The race is said to be closer than initially expected, with delegates from provinces such as Northwest and Gauteng switching support from the president to his former health minister in last-minute caucus. However, Ramaphosa remains the front-runner. Mashatile was nominated for the post of deputy president. The 2 contestants aligned to Ramaphosa also on the ballot are Lamola and Eastern Cape Premier Oscar Mabuyane. Mchunu was a preferred candidate for the post by the Ramaphosa caucus, comprising key backers such as Derek Hancom and Montli Gungubele, but it was clear that he lacked support. In the end, his name was not even raised from the floor. Now Ramaphosa allies are concerned that splitting his supporters' voters between Lamola and Mabuyane will result in a victory for Mashatile. Key players in Ramaphosa caucus begrudgingly noted that the lack of coordination over the selection of a running mate for Ramaphosa by his backers means Mashatile's chances have been strengthened. The same applies to the position of treasurer. Chauke is on the ballot paper along with the Ramaphosa caucus pick, Gwen Ramakgopa, who accepted nomination from the conference floor and met the threshold. For Secretary General, Ramaphosa's supporters are likely to back either Fikile Mbalula or Ntuli, which could split their votes. Mbalula is the Ramaphosa caucus pick, but Ntuli also has backing among Ramaphosa's supporters. This may be an advantage for the Mkhize camp's contender, Phumulo Masaule. The Mkhize camp, which is mainly from KZN, Eastern Cape, and Free State, has a clear slate. Mashatile for Deputy President, Masaule for Secretary General, Nomvula Makonyane for Deputy Secretary General, Stanley Mathabata for Chair, Ronaldo Nalumango for Second Deputy Secretary General, and Zandile Masina for the Treasurer. While negotiating for posts among grouping is allowed, factions imposing a slate on delegates in a top-down approach goes against the ANC Election Commission rules. This has disorientated Ramaphosa's faction, which has been unable to shake the slate mentality. There are now fears that a lineup which does not include his backers may seem isolated. Eradicating slates and entrenched factions is a key part of the party's renewal agenda, but it is clear that faction politics is an addiction the party cannot seem to rid itself of. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.